Hello, genders! How are you all? I hope you people are really well. Well, I'm back again with another episode in bunch of colors. Do you remember that I have made a sunflower with pipe cleaner? I put the I button here. Go and check there. Check the video. Well, this time, today's episode, I'm gonna make another thing with the same pipe cleaner. Well, do you want to know what I'm gonna make today? Let's start. Well, you see, I already made some of the flower I needed to make. You can see the beautiful lilium and the roses. No? Well, to make another one, I'm gonna need this and the lavender and the green pipe cleaners and the scissor and glue. I changed the glue. And this much pipe cleaner I think will be fine. And before we get started, I have to cut this out in a perfect measurement, but in this situation I'm not going to use a measurement scale. I'm going to just fold a pipe cleaner and then cut it, and then again I'm going to fold it. Basically I'm going to need 1/4 of the pipe cleaners. This way, just follow the step and you'll get a perfect shape to make another flower. But do you understand? Do you get it? What I'm gonna make today? Then leave a comment. But in this way, I'm gonna cut all of the pipe cleaner and see, it's all ready. I've done it in the same way, in the same measurement. Well, I'm gonna stick this, but before that, you have to fold this. Just follow the step. That's all you need to do. Just follow and fold. So this way I already have folded every of the parts, and then I'm gonna stick it out with it. But I'm not gonna use any glue to stick this out, just putting this two part of it and then binding with this green tape I already have. Well, this green tape is going to help to make more prominent for the stem, like more greenish stem that I need. Well, this is gonna be twig, right? This is not a stem. I don't know. Well, if you feel like this is not even, then it's completely fine. This is a petal, right? And you don't have to be even, because flowers or any kind of natural things are not even. So it's completely fine if it's unevenly. You settle the petals with here, so it's completely fine. And see how beautifully it's done. So did you get it? Well, this is a lavender, isn't it? It's just you just need to fold it out this way, just curl it out, right? And beautifully it'll come out like real lavender. See the color. See, it's all done. It's beautiful. I loved it. Well, this is the time to make the leaf here, and I already have done the leaf in a previous. I already told you I have done a flower with this pipe cleaner. So in that I button in the beginning, I told you to go and check that, so you'll get there the flower and other things. And here I'm making the leaf one more time, and pay attention. See it this way. I just tweet it over there, and then just look at it carefully. You'll get it. It's really very easy to make the leaf. You just need to focus on my step. Well, I have learned from somewhere else, right? So this way, just take a look on all the stands of the, and then the one with one stand, I just fold it all the others and then this way. Tilt it a little bit and it's ready. See? Well, if you have missed any part of making the leaf, then I'm making here again. Just pay attention to it and you'll get all the way how I make this leaf. It's very easy, you can do it anyway, it's fine. Well, I have bought all these pipe cleaners from the Chinese online shopping app. It cost me around 1.5 RMB for 100 pipes of each color of it. But in India, you can get all this from Amazon, I think. If you want it, I'll get the link down in the description box. You can find that. If you want to view such more videos, comment down below, like and subscribe. And share with your friends who likes to art, paint or something, you know, the art crafts. Well, I think people can get angry by knowing that I have mentioned name China. I don't know, but Indian people are not aggressive, so yeah. So I made some small leaf here. Pebbles, right? And this way I'm gonna attach it with the rose with that strong glue. Well, I have changed this glue. Whoever watched my previous video of this pipe cleaner, those people know that I was struggling with that white fake glue that was similar like Fevicol, but Fevicol is way more good, trust me. And this one, that's why I changed this time and I put another one, and this one is perfect. Well, this is another thing I have, but I forgot the name, but I think it also cost me around 2 or 3 RMB in Chinese money, I mean Chinese currency. I don't know, there's no number that how many of it I get, but that's all I needed. But in this lilium flower, I'm gonna use this, I don't know what to call this. See, it's gorgeous, isn't it? So here, all the flowers you got. See the beautiful, gorgeous rose and lilium. Well, if you people are interested to know how I made this rose and the lilium, then let me know in the comment section and I'll bring another video of making this rose and lilium. Well, and let me know that which of these flowers do you like the most in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never ever get missed any of my videos. Pour some love. Take care. Bye bye.